Samsung's upcoming One UI 8 update is set to bring a refined and more intelligent experience to Galaxy devices, focusing on speed, personalization, and seamless integration with AI. The interface is expected to feel cleaner and smoother, with updated animations and a more modern design language that enhances usability. Samsung is also working on deeper AI-powered features, such as smart app suggestions, improved camera optimization, and enhanced productivity tools that adapt to user behavior. Privacy and security will be further strengthened, giving users more control over data and permissions. In addition, One UI 8 will likely improve multitasking with advanced split-screen functions and better continuity between Galaxy smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Overall, this update aims to make Galaxy devices more intuitive, responsive, and connected than ever before. Thanks for watching.